Hello again YouTube, my name is Hezekiah, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing for a microphone. Now I've been trying to get this, I've been waiting for 3 weeks. I already got this on the 4th. It finally came in from USPS, you know, they've been full on their stuff, so I can't even get my camera on. So I gotta wait till they get finished processing that. But I know they trying their best, you know, COVID. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this microphone and test it out. Alright y'all, I got it unboxed, so now all I gotta do is just pull this out and see what they look like from the inside. So it comes up in like a little square box and stuff, so it ain't like the best thing. It ain't the best thing. Ah shit, there you go. I've been waiting on this forever. Alright, so I got the BOYA MM1 microphone for this camera right now that I'm holding right now. So what you can listen to me on is the factory one. The factory one's trash, I'm not gonna lie. I hate this shit. I hate it so fucking much. But anyway, we got the BOYA MM1. I hope that this is pretty fire. So yeah, let's go ahead and unbox to see what it comes with, and then we'll install it. There she go. Oh, it actually did come with everything. I got this from eBay, so I'm surprised about that. Oh, so yeah, it comes with the little, I guess, stand for the top of the microphone. It looks like it's I don't know, it's kind of weird though. I thought it had like a different installation on top, but it looks like it goes to it might have most stuff up in there. I might not be looking at this right, but this is the microphone itself. If I can pull it out this sock, this is the microphone itself. It comes with, it's basically right there. Shit. They also got like, okay, the 2 different wires right here. Like this is for the camera, it says. And then they got this one, this is for like, you know, for the, I guess, iPhones and Androids and stuff. But I'm gonna try this out on my Android too. Yeah. I don't see that it needs to be charged or anything. So, I mean, other than that, like this is pretty dope. So we're gonna install it and hear the audio, and it comes with a bag too, so that's pretty dope. So I wanna figure out how this thing gets on and shit. So anyway, let's go ahead and install this BOYA mic MM1. Anyway, before I put it on, I want to show you guys what it looked like all assembled. So yeah, this is basically what we're dealing with right here. It's not too bad. I wonder what it's gonna sound like. Okay, anyway, this is without the BOYA microphone plugged in. I want to give you guys a comparison. So far, I've noticed that, like, I'd already tested it out, but I want to just let you guys know this is a stock microphone. You can hear me just as well, but it's not as clear. But anyway, I love the BOYA. It sounded jumping, bro. It sounded good. But anyway, I'm gonna plug the BOYA in, and I'm gonna let you guys hear it with the BOYA in. Anyway, I got the BOYA plugged in. I hope I got it plugged in all the way. Hopefully that, I mean, to me, in my personal opinion, it sounds way better. Somebody else might sound like shit, but I mean, I got off of eBay for like, I think $20, I think $16 for this little microphone. But other than that, yeah, it works pretty good. It got the little deck stock on it, so whenever wind and noise and stuff. So we're gonna do some tests on this BOYA microphone. So we're gonna see if you can hear me with the exhaust on. We'll see if you can hear me in the house good or better with all the echo and shit. But yeah, let's get this microphone to the test. Now on camera, I don't know how this sounds with the new microphone plugged in, but low key though, like, I'm loving the microphone. Like, I don't know what it sounds like on camera. I don't know what the exhaust sound like. It might sound worse, it might sound better, but if it sounds better, then yeah, now y'all know what it sounds like. But yeah, I want to let you guys know, does the exhaust sound better with the microphone on, or do it sound worse? I'm not gonna rev it. Of course, I'm out here in the apartment complex, they be tripping, bro. You already know they be tripping. But anyway, yeah, I hope y'all liking the microphone so far. To be honest, hell, I haven't heard it with the exhaust part yet, but I'm gonna listen to it, and we're finna do a shot in the inside, and then right after that, we're gonna just call it right after that. I mean, y'all already know what it sounds like without, you know, the microphone and shit. So let's go ahead and go inside and test this in the inside of the house. I love this microphone so far. Alright guys, we up in S13, so I might have to take a phone call up in the house. But I really want to try it in the house. But anyway, we're going off the factory microphone right now. This is the factory microphone on the Nikon D1500 600. I mean, you know, of course you know what it sounds like from up in here. You know, I try to shut the doors to make it sound like it's a house on the inside. Don't compare that much, but let's go ahead and plug in the microphone and see what. All right, y'all, so this is with the Rode video, not the Rode video bike Rode. I'm so stupid, bro. I meant the BOYA. This is the BOYA, not the Rode. I don't have the Rode. Couldn't afford the Rode. I hope that this is pretty good, man. Like, I've been trying to really look for a microphone that's actually inexpensive, because I feel like as long as you can hear somebody, it's good enough. But now if I'm doing some real good shit, you feel me? If I'm really gonna do some good shit, low key though, you know what I mean? I'm gonna get something that's good. But right now, you know, I'm also working outside, so I'm not trying to do all that until later on. The first episode, it was a little bit too much at the beginning, but we might be doing it again soon. Just trying to make sure I got enough camera equipment. I don't even have a tripod. That's how bad it is. But anyway, I mean, I hope you guys like this microphone. I mean, to be honest, I love it, bro. It's finally a complete set. You know what I mean? I already got the tripod, like a small one, the vlog style. I'm talking like a tall, normal size one. That's what I'm talking about, bro. Anyway, I hope you guys like this review on the BOYA microphone. I really love the experience. It's easy to install, easy to click. It don't require no batteries, and it has its own preamp. So yeah, I think that's fire, bro. I think that's fire. Okay. But anyway, y'all, you already know the deal. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this video. And we also gonna be vlogging on Christmas, so we'll let you guys know that. And see you guys in the next video.